Hi everyone. Hope you all are good. We are here for grade 5 math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password is provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 5 math and then click on view all lessons. There you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter addition and subtraction. The lessons we're going to cover today are choose numbers with a particular sum or difference, properties of addition, inequalities with addition and subtraction set 1, estimate sums and differences of whole numbers. So please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well, right? Okay, here I'm on grade 5 math. The chapter we're on right now is addition and subtraction. Let's just start with the lesson that is choose numbers with a particular sum or difference. Let's just start with the lesson. Okay, choose two numbers from the box to complete the sentence. So you have to select two numbers that have a difference of 495, right? That means you need to select two numbers from the box that when subtracted have the difference 495, right? So the numbers given are 5, 752 and 502. So just look at the difference. The difference is 495, right? That means the number with hundreds also included, right? So that is first is 502. Now you have to select what number is subtracted from 502 so that the answer is 495, right? You have 52. No, if you subtract 52, that would be 400 something, 450 something, right? That would be 7. 502 minus 7 is 495. So the correct option is 502 and 7, right? Okay, choose two numbers from the box to complete the sentence. Dash and dash have a difference of 495. Sorry, 465. You have to select two numbers that when subtracted have the difference 465. So which two numbers have the difference 465? You are given two options, 581 minus 52 and 571 minus 52, right? So let's just subtract. Let's look at the first one, 581 minus 52. 11 minus 2 is 9. 7 minus 5 is 2 and 5. So that means this isn't the correct option, right? That means the correct one is the second one. You can subtract and check. 7 minus 2 is 5. 11 minus 5 is 6 and 4. That is 465. Option number 2 is the correct option. Very good. That is option number 2. Okay, choose two numbers from the box to complete the sentence. Dash and dash have a difference of 858. Which two numbers have the difference 858? Which is the correct option? 886 and 28. 886 and 7, which is the correct option? which is the correct option. Very good. That's option number one, 886 and 28. When you subtract them, the answer is 858. Very good. Choose two numbers from the box to complete the sentence. Dash and dash have a sum of 860. So, which is the correct option? Yes, that is option number one, 852. And 8 when subtracted have the, sorry, when added have the sum 860. So, option number one is the correct option. Very good. Choose two numbers from the box to complete the subtraction sentence. Dash and like when you subtract two numbers, the difference is 190, which is the correct option. Yes, that's option number two. 194 and 4 have a difference of 190. Very good. Choose two numbers from the box to complete the sentence. Dash and dash have a difference of 380. So, which is the correct option? The correct option is option number A. Very good. That's option number one. 386 take away 6 makes 380. Very good. Option number one is the correct option. Choose two numbers from the box to complete the addition sentence. Which two number have the sum 187? The correct option is yes, that's option number two. 179 plus 2 makes 187. Option number two is the correct option. Choose two numbers from the box to complete the addition sentence. Which two numbers have the sum 437, which is the correct option? That's option number one. 409 plus 28 makes 437. Option number one is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. Okay, the next lesson is properties of addition. Okay, let's start with an example, right? Which equation shows the associative property of addition? Now we're going to learn the properties of addition, right? We have already learned these properties in earlier grades, right? So you just have to recall them. That is, just look at this a mathematical expression 9 plus 6 plus 2 equals 9 plus 6 plus 2. So on the both side you have three numbers involved 9, 6 and 2, right? They are you have to add them. On the both sides the numbers are same, you have to add them. Just the order of addition is different. Here you have to do 9 plus 6 first. Here you have to do 6 plus 2 first, right? 9 plus 6 makes 15. For this side you have to add 2. Then here you have 9 and 6 plus 2 makes 8. So when you add them, that makes 17. So just the order is different. When you add them, the answer is exactly same. So when you have three numbers involved in the way like you have to, just the way of addition is different. That means that is the associative property, right? Associative property, it is always whenever you have three numbers involved on the both sides, that is the associative property, right? Let's just start with the test questions. We'll learn more properties. Which property of addition is shown? Associative, commutative, identity. That is the associative property, right? On the both sides, the numbers are exactly same. Just the order of addition is different. So that is the associative property. Which property of addition is shown? 1 plus 5 equals 5 plus 1. So which is the correct option? You have two numbers involved, right? On the both sides the number are same. Either you do 1 plus 5 or either you do 5 plus 1. The answer is same, right? So when you have two number involved this way, that means that is the commutative property. It is commutative property. It is option number two is the correct option. Which property of addition is shown? 9 plus 7 plus 5, 9 plus 7 plus 5, which is the correct option? Associative property it is, right? both side three of the numbers are involved, just the order of addition is different. That is not commutative. For the commutative property, you have just two numbers on the both sides. When you have three numbers, that is the associative property. Which property of addition is shown? 7 plus 0 equals 7, which is the correct option. Identity it is, right? Whenever you have to add, that is the identity option. But the identity means when you add 0 to any number, you have the number is same. That is identity. Which property of addition is shown? 4 plus 0 equals 4. So which is the correct option? Zero plus 4, you are adding 0 to any number, you have the number is same, right? That means that is the identity property, right? The correct option is identity. Which property of addition is shown? 9 plus 8 equals 8 plus 9, which is the correct option? Commutative property, it is the correct option is up till now we learned three properties, right? Associative, commutative, or identity. Whenever you have two numbers involved on the both side, the numbers are exactly same, right? Just the order of writing them is different. That is the commutative property, right? If you have both side, you have two numbers, the order is different. That the property is known as commutative property, right? And when you have three numbers on the both sides, just the order of writing the numbers is different. That is the associative property. When you add 0, you have the number is same. That is the identity. So the correct option is for this one, commutative it is. Which property of addition is shown? 8 equals 0 plus 8. Yes, identity it is. The correct option is identity. Which equation shows the associative property of addition? So which is the correct option? associative property, right? You have to see associative property means on the both sides you have three numbers involved, right? Yes, that is option number four. Very good. The correct option is that is 4 plus 5 plus 4 plus 9 equals 5 plus 4 plus 9. Option number four is the correct option. Which property of addition is shown? Which is the correct option? That is again the associative property. The correct option is which equation shows the commutative property of addition? Which is the correct option? Very good. Option number three is the correct option. On the both sides, the numbers are same, just the writing order of numbers are different, right? So that is 1 plus 9 equals 9 plus 1. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is inequalities with addition and subtraction set 1. Inequality means they involve the, but here you have inequalities. Okay, let's see the example. Which number makes the equation, which number makes the statement true, right? That is 1 plus 1 equals the missing number minus 4. That means both sides are equal, right? Here you have the equality sign. So just add 1 plus 1 makes 2. Now you have to find which number subtract 4 equals 2. You have 6 and 9. So start with 6. 6 minus 4. 6 minus 4 is 2. Both side must be equal, right? So that is 1 plus 1 equals 6 minus 4. 1 plus 1 is 2. 6 minus 4 is 2, right? Okay, let's just start with the test questions. Okay, which number makes this statement true? So inequality means you you have inequalities involved less than, greater than, less than, equal to, greater than, equal to sign, right? The one with the equal signs are equalities. The one with the less than, greater than, less than, equal to, greater than, equal to are the inequalities, right? So you have to see 6 plus what number, like what number added to 6 that makes it greater than 14, right? So this must be greater than 14. You have two numbers given 8 and 9. When you add 8, 6 plus 8 is 14. 14 is not greater than 14. They are equal, right? So just check with the next second number. 6 plus 9. 6 plus 9 makes 15 and 15 is greater than 14. So option number 2 is the correct option. That is 9. The correct option is 9. Which number makes the statement true? 13 equals 9 plus which number is 13? That is 9 plus 4 is 13, right? Option number 1 is the correct option. Which number makes the statement true? 14 is less than 9 plus which number? Nine plus 5, right? 14 is less than 15. That is 5. The correct option is 5. Sorry, 9 plus 5 makes 14. So 14 is not less than 14. 14 is less than 15. The missing number is 6. Okay, got it. The correct option would be 5. Which number makes the statement true? 10 minus what number is greater than 6? Yes, that's option number 2. 10 minus 8 is 10 minus 3, it is 7 is greater than 6. Option number 1 is the correct option. How to? You can see here, this is greater than 6, right? So 10 minus 3 makes 7, that is greater than 6, right? The correct option is option number 1 is the correct option. 3 it is. Which number makes the statement true? 3 is less than 4, so that would be 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2 is 4. The correct option is 2. 2 is the correct option, right? Okay, which number makes the statement true? 10 minus what number is equal to 9? One is the correct option. Option number 1 is the correct option, right? That is 10 minus 1 is 9, and then both sides are equal. Which number makes the statement true? Which is the correct option? That is 1. The correct option is 1 because 5 minus 1 is 4. So option number 1 is the correct option. Which number makes the statement true? Which is the correct option? Yes, option number 2 is the correct option. 3, it is 9 plus 3 makes 12, right? But 12 is less than 12, right? So that is 5. 9 plus 5 makes 14. 12 is less than 14. Okay, which number makes the statement true? 17 is greater than 9 plus, which is 17 is greater than 17. No. Yes, 14 it is. 8 plus 6 is 9 plus 6 is 15. So 17 is greater than 15. Very good. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, 3 plus what number is less than 8? Option number, yes, 1 is the correct option. 3 plus 3 makes 6 and 6 is less than 8. Okay, which number makes the statement true? 8 plus what number equals 15? Yes, 7 it is. 8 plus 7 makes 15 and 15 is equal to 15, so 7 it is. Which number makes the statement true? 7 is greater than which? That is 6, right? Because 7 is greater than 4. 10 minus 6 is 4. Which number makes the statement true? Yes, that is 4 plus 10 makes 14. So the correct option is 10. Okay, which number makes the statement true? 10 minus what number is greater than a 3 plus 2? Okay, solve this side. You have 3 plus 2, right? 3 plus 2 is 5. So 8 minus what number is greater than 5? That is 8 minus 1. 7 is greater than 5, right? So the correct option is 1. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. We were working on grade 5 math. The chapter we were working on is addition and subtraction, and the lessons we have covered today are they are choose numbers with a particular sum or differences. Then you have the properties of addition, and the one we just finished is inequalities with addition and subtraction set 1, right? So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we just did. That is your homework until next session, right? So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday 5 to 9, or either you can join me in the interactive session that would be daily from 4 to 5 and from 9 to 10. So that's all for today. If you have any question, you can please ask. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. Okay, that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye, everyone.